Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the physical link and software are ready. Check that the cable and monitor support the target refresh rate, and update GPU drivers so new modes appear. Once done, open your operating system display controls. On Windows, go to Display Settings, on macOS open System Settings, and select Displays. Make sure the correct monitor is selected if you have multiple screens. Do this now so you don't change the wrong panel. Next, you pick the new refresh rate and apply it. On Windows, navigate to Advanced Display Settings, open Adapter Properties, and use the Monitor tab to select the frequency. On macOS, hold Option while clicking Scale to reveal extra choices. Once you choose the rate, click Apply and watch for a confirmation prompt. Make sure to select Keep Changes or the system will revert. If you run games, also check in-game settings to match the desktop refresh rate for consistent performance. Finish by validating the new setting in real use. Run a motion test, a high frame rate video, or a game to check smoothness. If the desired rate isn't available or causes artifacts, make sure the monitor's EDID matches advertised specs. The cable and GPU output support the mode, and drivers are current. Swap the cable or port to isolate the issue. If problems persist, try a lower rate, perform a monitor factory reset, or test the monitor on another computer to identify the faulty component.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.